Hey, this is Brett White, Superintendent of Schools in the Andover School District. We want to thank Ron McMahon, Shane Loy, and all of our friends at the Y for your generous support and sponsorship of the Splash program. That program has really made a difference for our second graders at Prairie Creek and Cottonwood Elementary. The YMCA is an awesome friend for our district. We appreciate all that you've done over the years, and thanks for your generous support.
Thank you, YMCA, for teaching me and letting me use your pool.
Thank you, YMCA, for letting me swim.
Thank you, YMCA, for doing swim lessons. Now I'm all ready for the pool this summer. Yay!
Thank you for the swim program. It was so much fun.
Thank you for letting me swim. I miss the YMCA a